video we'll be looking at Good Riddance by Green Day, standard tuning and no capo. The song starts off with a full G major chord. Second finger, third fret of the low E, first finger, second fret of the A. We've got third finger, third fret of the B, and pinky finger, third fret of the high E string, while the strings are open. So for the picking on the G chord, we have low E twice, B, G, D, G. That's the basic picking pattern. We're going to swap to a C sus2 chord. All we do is go from the G, we take our first finger off and drop that second finger down to the A string at the third fret. That's a C sus2 chord. Picking's the same except for we swap the E string for the A. So pick the A string twice. B, G, D, G. So twice through the G. Once through the C sus2. Then into a D chord. We actually only need that second fret on the G and the third fret on the B, but you can put the full D chord down if you prefer. I'm going to start off with a little strum across the D and G strings together. Then pick the D, B, G, D, G. So together, D, B, G, D, G. So the whole thing really slowly, we have the G chord twice. Then the C once. Then the D. And we repeat that. For the bridge section we have E minor, D, C sus2 and G. So we're going to pick exactly the same. For the E minor chord we pick the low E string twice, B, G, D, G. Same picking as we did before for the D. Same picking for the C. And once through the G. So we go E minor, D chord, C sus2, G, then we repeat E minor, D, C sus2, and G. So for the chorus we have the same picking again, E minor, G, E minor, G, back to the E minor, D, back through the verse. When Billie Joe swaps to strumming, we're actually going to use exactly the same chords. We can swap the C sus2 for a full C chord if we prefer. That's what Billie plays on the videos I've seen. So G, C sus2 or a C, and then a D. In the strumming, we'll have a G chord. We have down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So slowly, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then we go to our C sus2 or our C chord. We're going to strum down, 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 up, down, and on the up strum there, swap to our D, up, down, down, up, down, up. So C, down, 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 up, down, up on the D, up, down, down, up, down, up. So slowly, G, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, down, up, down, D, up, down, down, up, down, up. Up to speed. Then going to use exactly the same rhythm for the bridge. So we have E minor, down, 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 up, down, D, up, down, down, up, down, up, C or C sus2, down, 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 up, down, G, up, down, down, up, down, up. So E minor, D, C, G, repeat, E minor, D, C, chorus, it's the same as it was for the picking pattern, but strummed E minor, G, E minor, G, E minor, D, and then back through the verse pattern. At the end of the song we do go back through the picking pattern. We start on the chorus part, so the E minor, G, E minor, back to the G, then to the E minor, D, and back through the verse pattern to finish off. G, C+2, D, G, C, D, finish off there, 2 hits of the second fret of the G, open D, single strum down on that G. Check out this link here for more guitar tutorials. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.